Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. This exercise is called shopping list, and this is going to apply what we learned so far within arrays. So the purpose of this exercise is to create a shopping list in the variable myList. It should be multi-dimensionals as well. So the first element in each subarray should contain a string with the name of the item, and then the second element should be a number represent the quantity. Okay, so and it should be at least 5 subarrays inside of this. So let's make the first item. So we create the array and let's do eggs and then comma and then 12. So that'll be the first item. Now we do the second item. Let's do milk 1 and then cookies 6 and then chicken 2 and lastly bread 1. So this is just an exercise to make sure you understand what arrays are and a context that we could use arrays for a shopping list like this one. And that'll be it. Thank you so much.